I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and starting the update. Open Settings, go to Help and Feedback, then About Microsoft Edge so you can see the current version. Once done, Edge will automatically check for updates. This is the how. Make sure you have at least 1 GB free and a steady connection. Why that matters is simple. Updates download and install reliably only with space and connectivity. Now keep Edge open while it searches for updates. When Edge finds an update, you click Restart to let the installer run. This triggers the download and the actual installation, which is the how. If Windows asks for admin permission, grant it so the updater can modify system files. Pause any heavy downloads or backups to avoid bandwidth contention because concurrent activity slows things down. Make sure to watch the progress indicator. Installation times vary from 1 minute to 10 minutes, depending on CPU and disk speed. After the restart, confirm the update by visiting About Microsoft Edge to see the new version. This proves the process completed. Re-enable extensions and test a web page to verify normal behavior. If the update fails, use Settings Apps Microsoft Edge Modify to run repair or run the standalone installer to overwrite a faulty installation. That is the primary troubleshooting step. If problems persist, restart your PC, temporarily disable antivirus, then repeat the update. That often resolves blocked installers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.